Bro, listen, most guys spend their whole life chasing women, thinking they need money, looks, or some insane status to get girls to notice them. But that's not how it actually works. Women naturally chase men who show a few rare habits. Habits that almost no one teaches us growing up. And once you develop these habits, something crazy happens. Women start investing in you instead of you running after them. Let me break it down for you like a friend. Real, honest, no sugarcoating. These are 7 habits every guy needs to master. Point 1. Bro, you gotta lead without asking for permission. Let me be real with you. Most dudes hesitate for everything. Where do you wanna go? Is this okay with you? Are you sure? Bro, women don't wanna make all the decisions. They want a man who already knows what he's doing. You don't have to be controlling, just decisive. Instead of, what do you wanna eat? Try. Let's grab something from that new spot. You're gonna like it. When you lead, she relaxes. When she relaxes, she trusts you. When she trusts you, she invests in you. Leadership equals security. Security equals attraction. Point 2. Stop being scared of silence. You know when you're talking to a girl and the convo gets quiet for like 3 seconds, and you immediately panic? So you start talking way too much, saying random stuff, over-explaining, or even friend-zoning yourself? Bro, confident men don't rush to fill silence. Silence creates tension, and tension creates attraction. Next time there's a pause, just chill. Look relaxed. Let her fill the space. You'll be shocked how often she leans in, starts talking more, or gets curious about you. Silence doesn't kill attraction, it builds it. Point 3. Walk like you know where you're going. Bro, this one is so underrated. Your walk says more about you than your words. If you're dragging your feet, slouching, or looking at the floor, you look like you're unsure about yourself. But when you walk with shoulders back, head up, eyes forward, steady pace, you give off this energy like you have direction in life. Women feel that instantly. Trust me, before you even speak, your posture tells her everything. Walk like a man who knows where he's going, and she'll want to go there with you. Point 4. Stop over-explaining yourself. Let me guess. Whenever you're busy, you send texts like, "Sorry bro, I didn't mean to take long. I was doing this and that. Hope it's okay." Stop. That screams insecurity. A confident man respects his own time. He doesn't explain or apologize for having a life. If you're busy, you say, "I'll talk later. Handled something. I'll hit you up when I'm free." Short, direct, confident. When you stop over-explaining, she becomes curious. Curiosity equals chase. The less you explain, the more she wants to understand you. Point 5. Control your reactions. This is huge. Bro, women test without even realizing they're testing. They'll tease you, mention some guy, reply late, say something bold. Most guys fold instantly. Why did you say that? Who is he? Are you mad at me? Why didn't you reply? You know what confident men do? Nothing. They stay calm. They don't get jealous. They don't get emotional. They don't freak out. A man who stays unbothered is rare. Women chase that because emotional control equals emotional strength. When she realizes she can't shake you, she automatically respects you more. Point 6. Bro, look like you respect yourself. You don't need designer clothes. You don't need a watch worth someone's rent. You just need a clean haircut, good hygiene, a fresh scent, clothes that fit right, clean nails, a simple sharp style. Bro, women notice the small things you think don't matter. When you look like you take care of yourself, she feels proud to be next to you. And trust me, a woman will chase a man she feels proud to be seen with. Point 7. Have a mission bigger than any woman. This is the most important one. When a man makes a woman his whole purpose, she loses interest. It's backwards, but it's true. Women don't want to be your mission. They want to join you on your mission. Focus on your fitness, your goals, your career, your growth, your passions. When your life is already full and moving forward, she feels like she has to earn her place in it. A man with purpose is magnetic, and women chase men who are going somewhere in life. So bro, ask yourself honestly, which version of you are you right now? The version that chases, or the version that's becoming a stronger man every day? You don't attract women by trying harder with them. You attract them by building yourself. Lead, stay calm, walk with purpose, stop over-explaining, level up your appearance, control your emotions, and follow a mission bigger than dating. Do these consistently, and bro, you won't have to chase. She'll chase you. If you're serious about leveling up, drop a comment. Which habit are you starting today? And hit subscribe because I'm dropping more real, unfiltered advice like this.